Basically, the backpack kept me afloat. I barely went underwater. We will. You gotta cinch that tight.
Oh, super tight. All right. Cinch the backpack tight, huh?
That's fine. No, just as soon as you hit, just turn around backwards. It's a lot easier. Ready? Just fall back. Just fall back. Trust it. Yeah. Just lean back. There you go. So you're gonna lay down like.